I figured I would show you what's in this magic box. So here we have 9 categories taking you through a full yoga practice, starting with warm-up, standing, balancing poses, back bends, inversions, and arm balancing poses, then seated poses, advanced poses, and slow down poses. And then I thought I would pick a random card and show you a bit about all the elements that you find on each card. So here is half moon, so you have the name in Sanskrit. No, in English, I'm sorry. And then you have in Sanskrit. And then you have the cue to put, to set your focus for the position. Here you have the intensity level. And then you have some sequencing suggestions, So these are the positions that you can include before this card. And then these are the ones that you can include after the card. Here we have the chakra associations with the position. And on the back of the card, you have all the benefits. So the ones that are highlighted, like these, are the ones that are associated with the position that you have on the card. So half moon here. I will go through the benefits. So this is lungs, this is heart, this is digestion, then this is strength, flexibility, immune system, organs and hormones, posture, brain, and sleep. So there are a lot of things that you can sequence with these cards. You can go for the chakras, you can go for the benefits, you can just go from what you feel and what you want to do. And it's an essential for me. I hope it will become an essential for you too.